Hello, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. Today's topic is data backup. This happens to be a particular area of expertise for me. We'll review why backups are important, as well as the differences between business continuity and regular backups. You may think it's pretty obvious that backing up your company's data is important, but you should know the reason behind why it's so crucial. Really, the purpose of a backup solution is to minimize downtime, whether it's a missing file or a major server failure. With that being said, not all backup products offer the same level of protection. A simple backup solution really only allows you to recover deleted files. However, there are more advanced products on the market that allow your company to remain operational, even in the worst case scenarios. Here at DRP, we partnered with Datto to better protect your business. Datto's offering not only allows you to recover files, but provides you with full business continuity. Their solution gives you the ability to spin up an entire copy of your IT environment in the cloud within minutes. So that way you can access your data in the event of a fire, flood, or any other prolonged outage. We have more resources for you and go more in depth in our accompanying ebook, so please download our PDF for the top 5 reasons to use Datto to protect your business. And that concludes today's quick tips and tricks. Like always, stay tuned for our latest content and continue to follow us here at DRP Solutions.